Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Soysouda here. Today's video I will be making combination fried rice. It's so easy to make, everyone can do it. The best combination fried rice, I almost have it every day. I love it so much and I never get enough of it. The flavor of the meat and a lot of different kind of vegetables gives so much colorful and tastes fantastic. If you are meat lovers, don't be scared to add more. Let's get started. For recipe, choose 30-gram chicken breast fillet, 100-gram rump steak, 160-gram pork scotch fillet, 80-gram of bacon, 140-gram chorizo, 115-gram black pudding, 2 eggs. Cooked rice, soy sauce, sweet paprika, sesame oil, 1 onion, 100-gram of baby peas, celeries, carrot, big chili, fresh coriander for garnish. This is the best combination fried rice. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.